Hello, my greetings. How are you today? I'm glad to be with you. Let's learn, enjoy, and play. I'm here to guide and serve you. Just be prepared and say, oh, I love to be matadino, matinig every day. Hello, my greetings. How are you today? I'm glad to be with you. Let's learn, enjoy, and play. I'm here to guide and serve you. Just be prepared and say, oh, I love to be matalino, matinig every day. Hello, children. I am happy to be with you today. I am Teacher Jess, and today we will be matalino, matinig as we learn new lesson in math. Are you ready and excited? At the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify and describe triangles according to sides and angles. Okay, class. This time, let me show you a picture. What do you see? Very good. This is a robot made from different shapes. We have circle, oblong, triangle, square, and rectangle. Now, class, I want you to listen to a short story that I have prepared for you. Just listen carefully and be attentive. The title of the story is The Obedient Child, or sa Tagalog, Ang Masunuring Anak. In the peaceful barangay called Sigu, there is a happy family living near the riverside. Tatay Bilog and Nanay Oblong are the responsible parents of Kuya Parihaba, Ate Parisukat, and their bunso named Tatsulok. One day, Tatay Bilog and Nanay Oblong need to go to the farm to harvest fruits and vegetables. Nanay Oblong reminded her children before leaving. Parihaba, Parisukat, Tatsulok, just stay at home. Do not go and play outside. It's too hot already. And the three children nodded. After a few minutes, Kuya Parihaba and Ate Parisukat went outside their house and played under the sun, while Tatsulok followed his mother's reminder to stay inside the house. During nighttime, Nanay Oblong noticed that Kuya Parihaba and Ate Parisukat have cough and cold. She asked them what happened. The two children told the truth that they went outside and played under the sun except Tatsulok. Instead of being angry, Mother hugged the two children for telling the truth and gave Tatsulok a big hug for being obedient. Mother advised the two children to be like Tatsulok, to be always obedient. Now, children, let me test if you really understand the story that I have read. Number 1. Who are the characters in the story? Very good! The characters in the story are Tatay Bilog, Nanay Oblong, Kuya Parihaba, Ate Parisukat, and Bunso Tatsulok. Number 2. Where is the main setting of the story? Yes, that's right. The main setting of the story is in the house. Number 3. What did the mother tell them before going to the farm? Exactly, children. Mother told them to stay inside the house or do not play under the sun. Number 4. Who among the 3 children followed mother's reminder? Very good, class! Bunsot at Sulok is the only one who followed mother's reminder. Number 5. What moral lesson did you get from the story? That is right, children. We should always be obedient. Today, class, we will discover more about Triangle, which is one of the main characters in the story. Now, look around with children. Do you see things that are shaped triangle? Wow! That's amazing! We will identify and describe triangles according to sides and angles. Let's first define the word triangle. Do you know that a triangle is one of the basic shapes of geometry? It is a polygon with 3 vertices and 3 sides, which are straight line segments. Just like what I have said, triangles can be classified according to sides and angles. So, listen carefully. Let's discuss the topic in detail. A triangle is formed by 3 segments that join 3 non-collinear points, or the points which do not lie on the same straight line. Each segment is called a side of the triangle, and the point where 2 sides meet is called a vertex. A triangle is named by writing the vertices in any order. The triangle that you see is a triangle ABC. The segments are the side of the triangle denoted by AB, BC, and CA in the example. These 3 segments or sides joined at the vertices from the angles of the triangle, denoted as angle A, angle B, and angle C. This time, let us discuss the different characteristics of triangles. Triangles can be classified according to their angles. Let's read the following, class. That's right. Right triangle, acute triangle, and obtuse triangle. Look at the illustration. This is a right triangle, class. Do you know what is a right triangle? A right triangle has a right angle which measures 90 degrees. Again, 90 degrees. In this illustration, triangle ABC is right triangle. Now, look at the next illustration. This is one called acute triangle. An acute triangle, class, has 3 acute angles, each measuring less than 90 degrees. So, triangle DEF is an acute triangle. Look at our next illustration, class. This is one called obtuse triangle. Unlike the first 2, an obtuse triangle has an obtuse angle which measures more than 90 degrees. In our illustration, triangle GHI is an obtuse triangle. So, we have 3 kinds of triangles according to angles. Number 1, right triangle. Number 2, acute triangle. And number 3, obtuse triangle. Now, Before we proceed to our next discussion, let's have this a short exercise. Direction. Arrange the jumbled letters. In our first activity, all you need to do is to arrange the jumbled letters that has something to do with the three kinds of triangle according to angles. You have 10 seconds to answer each jumbled word. That's great, children. Job well done. This time, children, look at the following illustrations. We will now identify triangles according to their sides. Let us read the following words. Number 1, equilateral triangle. Please repeat. Very good, children. Number 2, isosceles triangle. Please repeat. Very good, children. And number 3, Iscalin triangle. Please repeat. Good job, children. These are the kinds of triangles according to their sides. Let's have this one by one. Equilateral triangle. The first kinds of triangle according to side is the equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle has 3 equal sides or all sides are equal. In Tagalog tias, ang sukat ng bawat side ay pare-pareho. In our illustration, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Again, remember that equilateral triangle has 3 equal sides. Next class is what we call isosceles triangle. This triangle has only 2 equal sides. Ibig sabihin, dalawang sides lang ang pareho ng sukat. In our illustration, triangle DEF is an isosceles triangle. A triangle with only 2 equal sides. But what if a triangle has no equal sides? How do we call it, class? We call it as Iscalin triangle. Ibig sabihin, iba-iba ang sukat ng bawat side. Again, Iscalin triangle has no equal sides. In our illustration, triangle GHI is a Iscalin triangle. Again, if we are going to classify triangle according to sides, we have 3. Number 1, equilateral triangle. Number 2, isosceles triangle. And number 3, Iscalin triangle. Do you have any question, class? Okay, if you have no questions, let's have these exercises. That's great, class! You did a great job! Remember, children, that we can classify triangle according to side and angle. As we classify triangle according to angle, we have three, namely, right triangle, acute triangle, and obtuse triangle. And if we're going to classify triangle according to sides, we have three as well, namely, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle. At bilang aplikasyon sa ating aralin ngayon, a triangle is just a simple shape, but it has different sides and angles. Each classification is unique, just like us human beings. We also have different sides and angles. Every one of us is unique. Whatever attributes we have, improve. This is not just for ourselves, but for the glory of God. Let us now proceed to our evaluation class to measure how much you have learned today. Get a pen and paper. Read the following instruction and start answering your activities. Very good, children. You did a great job. This time, you get your notebook and copy your assignment.